I would now like to call upon stage Mr. Dilip Pandiya from Sure Safety for his short video presentation by, from Sure Safety. The podium is yours, sir.
It will be projected there. Okay. No issue. Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, thank you, NFE, so given to us this opportunity for present here for electrical safety. I'm Dilip Pandiya from Sure Safety India Limited. Basically, Sure Safety, Gujarat-based company, and is decade-old organization with R&D center and provide 360-degree solution of fire and safety equipment manufacturer, industrial hygiene, consulting and training, fire services, and fire suppression system. This is small video for our company. Volume.
We also provide you with the PPEs that protect you from head to toe. They climb up the top. They go down the well.
Volume. I think some issue in video.
They climb.
Electrical hazard. The major hazard of electricity are electrical shock, electrical arc, and fire. What is electrical arc? Simply put, an arc flash, an incident where a flashover of electrical current leaves an independent path and travels through the air from one conductor to another conductor or the ground. The results are often violent, and when the human is in close proximity to arc flash, serious injury and even death can occur. Electrical arc flash. This is the global data we have. Every year 30,000 electrical incident happen over the year. Most of the serval burns from the ignition of the clothes, not for the ignition, arc flash and explosion. So do not wear the synthetic garment during the electrical panel working. We totally hazardous category. As per the NFPA 70E guideline, identify the 5 categories is 0 to 4. HRC category 0 is low hazard and HRC category 4 is high risk hazard. This PP is category 1 is calories 4, minimum required calories 4. HRC category require minimum calories 8. HRC category require 25 calories and HRC category 4 require is 40 calories. Majorly garment available in 2 types of the garment. One is the inherent garment, second is the treated garment. Inherent fabric, at least one FR property like modalic para-aramid, and treated garment are the 100% coated with chemical treatment. Inherent garment becomes the flame during the lifetime, and the treated garment is the limited the life. We have the electrical arc suit for 8 calories. Electrical arc suit the 12 calories HRC category 2. Recently we launched the HRC category 2 t-shirt. Similar we have HRC category 3, HRC category 4, and we customize the product as per the calories. We have the 8 kit available in 8 calories to 100 calories garment. Electrical helmet with electrical arc face shield up to 11 kV. Similar in protection with hood. Normally helmet comes only for IS 2925 for impact resistance. We have the helmet with IS 2925 with EDA certification for up to 33 kV. This electrical helmet with flame-proof light. We have electrical safety shoes for 15 kV for 1 minute. Dielectrical boots up to 20 kV. Dielectrical gumboot. Normally electrical shoes comes for the electrical protection against in the toe or sole. But we have the solution for entire gumboot for 35, entire boot up to 35 kV tested for 3 minutes. And the particular sole are tested 20 kV for 8 hours. Is class 2 dielectrical boot is working potential is 17 kV. Is class 3 is working capacity 26 kV. We have another the hand protection. The hand gloves class 002, class 4 hand gloves. Class 00 it means working potential 500 volt and testing potential is 2.5 kV. Similar, the class 4 is 36 kV working potential and testing is 40 kV. Is as per the IS 13774. Electrical leather overgloves for the mechanical resistance for the latex electrical insulated hand gloves. We have the electrical insulated mats. Electrical rescue rod, electrical earthing rod, electrical tools as per the IEC, up to 1000 volt protection. And we developed the electrical safety kit. In the kit, we provide the electrical arc suit, dielectrical boot, gum boots, safety shoes, hand protection, hand gloves, electrical face shield with hood, and first aid kit. Fire protection system, passive fire and active fire. Is transformer fire. Sorry? We have only mats, sir. No, sir. No, we are not manufacturers, sir. Recently, this incident happened, and we all seen the WhatsApp group in transformer fire for Madhya Pradesh. As per the CSC guideline, up to 2000 liter oil content transformer should be required the nitrogen injection as well as high velocity water sprinkler system. So we also installing the high velocity water sprinkler system for transformer suppression system, transformer fire. This is our recently installed the system MNS Gujarat. Yes, sir. This is a high velocity water sprinkler system for transformer. Yes, sir. High velocity water sprinkler system is meshed. Yes. Meshed, sir. Also, we have the fire stop barrier as per the IS 12458, 12459, and fire coating for cables. This is fire resistance cable coating as per the IS 10810, and this is fire stop barrier. Up to 2000 liter oil content in the transformer 2000 liter, up to 2000 liter, that require the high velocity water sprinkler system. But sir, this is the CSC guideline. Okay. Okay. Cable. Sorry, sir. Is from fire and heat. The cable protects against the fire and heat. This pant is long lasting, sir. Is the pant occur the and life of the cable?
Sir, one moment. This with respect to fire sealant. Yeah. First, let me. Where the fire coating is given is there is a fire sealant. So once when the cable reaches this area, or once when it goes away from this area, up to certain length, the fire coating is done. Before that, one point which I wanted to add you is, tomorrow we will try to cover that. If you are using fire sealant, the cable insulation should have certain quality, it has to pass certain test criteria. And those tests, since our standards are coming from IEC, these test criteria are not at all considering whether it is FRLS and all these fancy names are not there. There is a standard referred, and we are supposed to, all the cables which is used should be tested according to this standard. But in future, once when the NEC, the CA and this NEC, if you wanted to comply, then those cables shall be used. So at the moment, these cables are sometimes, these requirements are not satisfied. As a solution, the same performance can be achieved by this paint. Yes, something like that.
No, his question is related to the fire coating and the cable. Okay, okay. Yes. See, yes, I will. Yes, I understand your question. I will try to reply. Actually, it's basically a science, not act, rules or standards. Okay? Based on science only these things are evolving. So fire stop is to limit the propagation of fire. Okay? The fire is getting higher heat when the height is reaching above. At the ground floor, it may be 100 degree at the 1 meter. It may be 2000 at the top. Okay? So there are three modes of fire propagation: conduction, convection, radiation. Whenever the temperature goes beyond 2000 degree, it will become radiator. You do not have a conduction or do not have any medium. It will radiate by itself. To avoid such conduction, convection or radiation, the immediate vicinity next to the fire emanating place, the cable is coated. It is advisable to coat the cable. As he said, it is not based on the inner material which is dependent upon the normal or short circuit temperature. It is not that cable short circuit or withstanding capacity for the fire. It is for the cable to withstand the fire from external thing to minimize aggravation. So fire stop, after the fire stop, it is being coated for certain distance to limit the fire hazard. It should not go away and propagate the fire. That's my understanding.
As far as this point is concerned, there is no fire resistant cable. Fire resistant cable is a resistant coating. There is no fire resistant coating. It is a fire retardant coating. It will retard when you apply the spray paint. Then what will happen? It will retard the spread of fire. So fire will spread slowly. So you get more time for reaction. That means the extinguishing people can get more reaction time. See, now his question is, FRLS cables, when it is used, there normally these cable coatings are not applied because it is of no use, because it has got an inherent fire retardancy quality already incorporated, so it will only also retard. So normal electrical cables we provide the coating.
Agreed, sir.
Whereas when you are putting a fire stop system, that is a fire resistant. It has got a fire resistancy, normally 2 hours, but that depends upon what is the fire resistance of that floor or wall, that much you should get. That is the NBC code which says that.
Yes, this is the fire.
That clarifies the point, I think so.
Yes, sir.
What happened in actual practice, this fire coating, the fire, what is that?
Fire resistance coating.
Huh?
Fire resistance coating.
They are normally doing, after laying the bunch of cable in a tray, they do practically only on the top portion they do. They are not able to do in the side and bottom. They do off working they do. Purpose is not solving at all. Only they are spending money.
Okay. Got it, sir.
Actually, after installation of the cable, with the help of paint jet actually, we have a paint jet, it can able to penetrate at the bottom of the cable, it will go. Moreover, no, as per the standard, 1.6 mm thickness ablative coating we need to apply on the cable. This is one point. Another point, no, another question asked me, why in FRLS cable we are applying fire retardant coating, you are asking. Actually, the FRLS cables are conforming to BS 6387. Maximum temperature it can able to withstand up to 650 degrees centigrade. Whereas this ablative coating, fire retardant paint coating, no, it can withstand up to 1000 degrees centigrade. Why no? One more thing, in National Building Code, what they say no, actually, fire resistance should be up to 2 hours fire rating. If it is a 2 hours fire rating mean, as per ISO 8341, the temperature reaching is 1010 degrees centigrade. So this ablative coating is necessary to comply the requirements of National Building Code. Additional protection it is. It is recommended in National Building Code. Yeah, additional protection we can go for it. No, sir, it is not half the run actually. The paint coating will go, it will penetrate, go to the bottom of the cable also. Moreover, no, every 14 meter, 1 meter length of cable can be applied. It is enough. Every 14 meter, 1 meter length of cable coating is required. Not full is not required. Not required. As per the practice, every 14 meter, 1 meter length of cable can be coated. Complete fire barrier it is required, 2 hours fire rating, it is recommended in National Building Code. See, it is not a laughing subject, I can say, in the fire accident, 75% of the fire accidents are due to electrical short circuit. Please understand, as per National Crime Records Bureau, every 24 hours, 59 persons are killed in fire. It is a serious matter. It is available in CEIG also.
Yeah, only thing to answer everybody's thing, because we are practicing in this a lot. See what happens there, as there was some topic of compartmentalization. Some compartmentalization will be 4 hours, some might be 2 hours, like that. In a building, now this looks like a 4 hours rated thing, but your cable FRLS cannot give that rating. When it is penetrating a 4-hour rated wall, this also should withstand 4 hours for that length. And that is why these coatings are done in different compartmentalization.
Yes, sir.
I think that is the key to this, because we are practicing this, we are telling this. Okay. So it's not compulsory, you should apply fully, but wherever it is changing to compartmentalization from 4 hours, this outside ambient is open air condition, but that wall is 4-hour rated. So on either side of the wall, it should be coated. So it should withstand for 4 hours. So that's the idea of this coating. No, not required, but there are some conditions where you might have to put the entire length, like safety systems. Your safety systems has to work, the lift pressurization systems. There you might have to have the full cable withstanding what he said. 3 hours means certain temperature, 4 hours means. So there you have to use an appropriate cable. Or if you use FRLS, you have to do the coating. So this is the thing. Use that coating. So where you are not using fire survival cable, this is an alternative to that. But your point is right. There's no point applying only on the top. It should be for the full cable all around. That way, I think it should be an installation practice. Okay.
Nice.
Yeah. Good. Good. Thank you.
Thank you all of you. And we have all the equipment here in case any require any technical details. So we are here. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sponsors.